For this recipe, we're using 3 pounds of red skin potatoes. Make sure to rinse your potatoes under cold water first. Then cut each potato into quarters, which is 4 pieces. Transfer your clean and cut potatoes into a large mixing bowl. In another small mixing bowl, add 1.5 teaspoons of dried onion flakes, 2 teaspoons of dry parsley, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give that a quick mix to combine. Then pour over the potatoes 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, followed by the spice blend we just created. Give that a quick toss until all the potatoes are coated evenly. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Then transfer the seasoned potatoes to a large baking dish. Spread out the potatoes in a single layer so they cook evenly. Now, roast the potatoes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour or until they are fork tender. Meanwhile, slice 3 green onions or scallions. Set the scallions aside for garnishing. Then cut into bite-sized pieces about 5 to 7 pieces of bacon. In a frying pan over medium heat, go ahead and cook the bacon until crispy and golden. Once the bacon has been cooked, remove from the pan and set it aside. And after 1 hour of roasting, your potatoes should look like this. Make sure that they are fork tender. If they're not, pop them in the oven for another couple of minutes. Then drizzle half a cup of ranch dressing over your potatoes. Then spread out the crispy cooked bacon over the potatoes. Sprinkle 8 ounces of sharp shredded cheddar cheese. Now bring it back into the oven for about 5 minutes or until all the cheese has melted. And if everything goes according to plan, your cheesy bacon ranch roasted potatoes will look like this. Garnish with the green onions and serve. And now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, cheesy bacon ranch roasted potatoes. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye!
Yeah.